Cats and kittens are pets having an adorable, fun-loving, and high-spirited nature. These seemingly cute animals can turn mischievous instantly and up to great extents. Sometimes, your pet cat or kitten climbs curtains and scratches surfaces. This leads to damaging the overall tidy appearance of your window treatment and many other disadvantages. In this article by Fixing Expert, we're going to illustrate 12 different ways that can help you stop a cat from climbing the curtain panel and creating disturbance and damage. 12 useful ideas to prevent your cat from damaging curtains. There can be a lot of solutions for dealing with this problem, like getting cat-proof curtains. However, we're going to disclose only the cheapest and most effective ideas in this article. So, let's move on to explaining the first idea on our list. 1. Apply curtain tiebacks. One of the easiest and most inexpensive ways to prevent your cat or kitten from climbing the curtain panel is to keep your curtains under wraps. 2. Buy cat trees and towers. The most obvious reason your cat climbs the curtain is the natural instinct to play with something. You can divert your cat's attention from the curtain panel by placing a cat tower, shelf, or tree nearby the window curtains. 3. Spume citrus spray on curtains. A mist of mandarin spray is enough to keep your cat away from the curtain panel. That's because cats don't like citrus scents and try to avoid them. 4. Make the window accessible to your cat. For this purpose, you can either place a chair in front of the window or something similar to climb on for your cat. 5. Understanding the cat's behavior. Another great way to prevent your cat from damaging the curtains by climbing onto them is to spend some time with your cat on a routine basis. 6. Keeping your cat engaged in fun activities. You can train your cat or kitten to play with toys and keep themselves engaged and amused all the time. 7. Replace window curtains with blinds. If you're looking for a window treatment upgrade, then making use of this idea can prove to be the most effective and practical solution. Because when there won't be any curtains, the issue itself will be resolved. 8. Cover curtains with aluminum foil. Much similar to citrus scents, many cats and kittens won't go near curtains that are covered with aluminum foil at the bottom. 9. Make use of a tension rod. Most commonly when cats try to climb the curtains, the weight of the cat pulls the curtain pole rod downwards. 10. Utilize motion detector alarms. A motion detector alarm is one of the best ways to prevent your cat from climbing the curtains. 11. Train your cat over time. The best way is to discourage the act when you see your cat trying to climb the curtains and provide the cat with a cat tree tower instead. 12. Visit the veterinarian. Medical issues. A sudden shift to destructive cat behavior like chewing fabric, knocking over items, scratching and climbing curtains, etc. may be due to some medical condition that you're unaware of. So, you should give your veterinarian a visit in this concern for your cat's medical examination. Cats climbing the curtains and scratching them is a part of their natural instinct. Also, there may be some other reasons associated with the phenomenon.